Now, why should I trade on funded accounts when I can directly put my money on any exchange and trade futures there? Now, I'll assume that you have $500 on some exchange, and on each trade, you'll put around $100 or $200. By some bad luck, if your trades get liquidated or it stop loss back to back, after a while, you'll end up liquidated or you might end up having nothing. But if you play smart, you can change everything. So in that $500, what you have, if you take just $89 and if you buy this $10,000 account, in that $10,000 account, if you take $200 on one trade, to utilize the complete $10,000 account, you can take up to 50 different trades simultaneously. So $100, if you do futures on any exchange and if you get liquidated, that $100 gone. There's no second chance. But on funded account, for $89 you'll be getting $10,000 account, and here you will get like 50 chances if you use just $200 on one trade. So in this market stuff situation, if you have limited funds with you, in case if you know how to do futures trading with a strategy, then you can go with funded accounts. Okay guys, now before I show you which funded firm you should use and how to use the funded account, guys, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now when it comes to funded firms, I'm personally using Cointracts funded account. Here you can see that I have one $100,000 account and one $50,000 account. Guys, in the market, there's a lot of funded account firms, okay? And not every firm will give you daily payouts. So before you proceed, please do your proper research and select properly. And guys, one more important thing, if you're using this Cointracts funded firm, then there's one campaign running. It starts from 7th July to 16th July. So during this campaign period, if you buy $5,000 account, $10,000 or $25,000 account, then you'll get a $2,000 account free. If you buy a $50,000 account, then you'll get a $10,000 account free. And for $100,000 account, you'll be getting $25,000 account free. So you can utilize this offer. Okay guys, now let's see how to register and how to use this Cointracts funded firm. Guys, on my Telegram channel or in the description of this video, I'll leave the Cointracts funded account link. So if you click on that, it will bring you to this page here. Now to register, enter your first name, last name, here enter your email ID and click on this get code option. Now they'll send you one code to your given email ID. So enter that verification code here and enter your password and re-enter that same password again here. Phone number is optional, okay? So if you want, you can enter or you can just leave it blank. Okay, now to register, click on this register option. Now after the registration process, if you want to log in, just click on this back to sign in option and enter your email ID and password. And you can just sign in. Guys, here you can see that I have one $100,000 account and one $50,000 account. And since you guys have registered now, for you guys it will be blank here. Now if you want to buy any funded accounts, just come on to this trader section and click on this new challenge option. Now here you have something called two-step challenge and one-step challenge. And down below you also have again called a two-step challenge World Cup pass. Guys, now what's this two-step and one step? I'll explain later in the video, okay? So keep watching. Now I'll select this two-step challenge. Here for $24.9 you'll be getting this $2,000 account. $2,000 is 2 lakh rupees account. So whatever profit you make from this account after trading, you can all withdraw that, okay? Profit split ratio will be around 90:10%. 90% is for you and 10% the firm will keep. So for $69 you'll get a $5,000 account. For $89 you'll be getting a $10,000 account. For $229 you will get $25,000 account. For $399 $50,000 account. And for $639 you'll be getting a $100,000 account, which is almost 1 crore rupees. Now guys, if you're a starter, then my suggestion is go for a $2,000 account or a $5,000 account. You can start small and gain experience first. In case if you have some idea on trading and if you're confident, then you can go with this $10,000 account. In case if you're a professional trader, then you can choose a $50,000 account or a $100,000 account. Okay guys, now to buy the account, click on this buy now option. Enter your first name, last name, country, city, your state. Now scroll down and I'll select this crypto payment option. Now tick this box here and click on this place order option. Guys, here you have 30 minutes time, okay, to complete this transaction, and exactly you should transfer $399. Guys, here I'll select TRC20 network. So whenever I'm transferring USDT from any exchange, the network fee will be exactly $1. So if I withdraw $400, then after network fee deduction, I'll receive $399. So guys, before you withdraw using any network, please confirm once and then proceed, okay? Now after you scan this QR code and once after you make this payment, just come back to this page here. So if you had made the payment, your funded account will appear here. So guys, here you can see that I have two accounts here, $50,000 account and $100,000 account. Okay, now how to trade? To start trading, click on this trade option, and it will bring you to this trading page here. Guys, this trading setup is almost 99% similar to the trading interface that you find on any crypto exchanges. Now guys, if you want to trade on any other cryptocurrency other than BTC, then click on this BTC option, and you can select whichever crypto you want. But I'll select Bitcoin only because usually I trade on Bitcoin. Now here you have something called isolated. So if you click on this, it will show two options, isolated mode and cross mode. So what's the difference between these both? Now guys, for example, assume that you have $1,000 with you and you put $100 on a trade under isolated mode, and if your trade gets liquidated, then you lose this $100, okay? That's all. In case if you select this cross mode and if you put $100 on a trade, and if the trade goes wrong horribly, then not only you lose this $100, $900, that unused amount that will also get pulled into this. And if the market volatility is severe, then both that $100 and that $900 will get liquidated. So usually I'll go with isolated mode. So I'll select this isolated mode and I'll click on confirm. Now if you click here, you can select your leverage. Guys, if you want to execute your order at the market price or the limit price, you can select here. Under quantity, you can either go with the BTC value or USDT value. I'll select USDT because it'll be easy to calculate the quantity. Now to just to show you guys, I'll enter 5,000 USDT. Guys, if you think the market may pump, then you can go with this buy long option. Or if you think that the market may crash, then you can go with this short option. I'll click on this long option. Now under positions, all your executed and running trades will be present here. Now guys, if you want to set TP or SL, just click here and enter your take profits here, and you can set your stop loss here. Now if you want to close your trade, just click on this close option and select how much percentage of trade you want to close, and click on confirm. Now if you have set any open orders, then all those will be present here under this open orders. And under order history, all your history on closed trades will be present here. Okay guys, now I'll explain some basic rules that you should follow. Now click on this dashboard option. Guys, previously I was talking about stage 1 and stage 2, right? Under stage 1 account, if you pass that stage 1, then stage 2 will be a live account, okay? And whatever profits that you make on this live account, you can withdraw. In case if you buy a 2-stage account, then you'll have to pass stage 1, then you'll have to pass the stage 2, and after that only in the third stage will be a live account, and whatever profits you make there, you can withdraw that. And in case if you buy a 2-stage account, then you'll have to pass the first stage, and you'll have to pass the second stage, and after that only the third stage will be a live account, and whatever profits that you make there, you cannot withdraw that. So here this my $100,000 account is a 1-stage account. So stage 1 is demo, and if I pass that, stage 2 is a live account. So guys, here the maximum leverage that you can choose is up to 5x leverage. Guys, trading period is unlimited, okay? You can take months or even years to pass this account. There's no limited time, and here there's also no minimum trading days also. And guys, this is important. Maximum loss that you can do in one day is 4,000 USDT. Make sure your losses don't cross this, okay, within 24 hours. Maximum loss is 6,000 USDT. So if you're trading daily, or if your losses touches this 6,000 USDT mark, then your funded account will get closed. So make sure daily losses doesn't exceed $4,000, and the maximum loss doesn't exceed $6,000. Now guys, if you want to pass this stage 1, then the profit target that you should achieve is $10,000. So if you make $10,000 profit, then you'll move on to the second stage, and this second stage is a live account. Okay guys, now this is a stage 1 account. Now I'll show you the 2-stage account. So this $50,000 account is a 2-stage account. This is stage 1 demo. Stage 2 also is demo, and in the third stage you will get live account. So whatever profit you make here under this third stage, you can withdraw that. So guys, this is the difference between stage 1 and stage 2 accounts. Okay, so stage 1 account will be a little bit costlier than stage 2 account. Now if you look at the rules, minimum trading days is 3 days. Daily loss limit is $2,500. Maximum loss is $5,000, and a profit target to pass the first stage is $4,000. Now guys, if you pass the first stage, then the profit target to pass the second stage is $2,500. In the first stage it was $4,000, but in the second stage now it will be $2,500. So once you pass this first and the second stage, you will get on to the third stage, and whatever profit you make there, you can withdraw all that. Now guys, if you pass any accounts, in case those past accounts will be present here under this section called to be active. In case if you failed any accounts, then it will be present here. So I think you guys understood on what's the difference between a 2-stage account and a 1-stage account. Now also guys, if you scroll all the way down, there's something called a 2-step stage with the World Cup pass. In case guys, if you wanna participate and win a World Cup pass, then you can go with this offer. Okay, or normally you can select the first step or the second step account, which is above. Guys, till July 16th there's an offer running. Okay, so if you buy 5k, 10k or 25 accounts, then you will get a $2,000 account free. If you buy 50k account, then you will get $10,000 account free, and if you buy $100,000 account, then you will get $25,000 account for free. And guys, now if you want any updates related to Cointracts or in general crypto market, then do follow me on my Telegram channel. Okay, both the Cointracts funded account link and the Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. So guys, both the Cointracts link and the Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. And if you have any doubts related to this topic, then drop that in the comment section down below. And if you find this video informative, then please do drop a like on this video. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, a peace.